Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily FX market review for the trading day ending Tuesday, July 19th. Firstly to cable, British pound, US dollar, and here we see for today's trading the sellers returning back into the market. Previously we had the market testing up to the 135.06 level with various results, with the buyers taking control, the sellers taking control, buyers attempting to take control. And some very indecisive trading over the last week or so. Today, a little bit more decisive for the sellers. The sellers have closed down below the Tenkan-sen, which had previously been holding as support. And this suggests that we may have seen the market now start to transition back into a stronger downtrending phase in the short-term time frame. Also, taking out 131.21 previous support does suggest good potential for the market to continue trading lower, and we will be watching a potential test down to the 127.99 previous level of support around that swing low. Importantly, the Kijun-sen remains pointing flat, and we haven't seen the market retrace back up towards that Kijun-sen in a major way, being held up at this 135.06 level. And this suggests that the sellers probably still are the stronger party in this market. We now are seeing them return to this market. In terms of depth of price action away from the Ichimoku cloud, still looking oversold. And the lack of urgency for the market to retrace through this 135 level does suggest that the buyers just don't have the strength to find that equilibrium at the moment. Now it will come, but it certainly is not being shown at the moment. Next, the euro US dollar, and selling in this market today, black body candle, previous support coming in at the 110.50 level and a minor white body candle. The Tenkan-sen holding as resistance for that day's trading as well as today's trading. So here we have the Tenkan-sen trading at 110.82. We do need to continue to watch it if the market does rally. Importantly today, trading through the 110.50 level, finding support however down at 110.15. A previous level has been tested on a few occasions, and that is going to be an important area. If we do trade through there in a bearish manner at the moment, we are testing that area through there in a bearish manner in the new session. A good opportunity here for the sellers to continue trading down and test down to the 109.02 previous swing low, very close to that swing low. In terms of Ichimoku, a bear market in all three timeframes supported by the Chica span. But with this market not looking too overextended in depth of price action away from the Ichimoku cloud as we saw for cable. Now to the euro US dollar on the hourly charts, and here we see a negative market in all three timeframes, trading down below each of the Ichimoku indicators over the last couple of days. At the moment, we do have the market trading just around the Tenkan-sen, suggesting that there is a little bit of indecision in that short-term time frame, trading above and then below. So switching from bullish to or slightly bullish to slightly bearish in the short-term time frame. We are still trading well below the Kijun-sen and the Ichimoku cloud, suggesting that we still have a strong-ish bear market in the longer-term time frames. If we do see the market rally off the Tenkan-sen, looking to resistance at the middle pivot point level, 110.35, and then at the Kijun-sen at 110.40. If any selling returns to the market, looking to support the first pivot point support level at 109.88, and then down to the second at 109.53. Over to dollar yen, US dollar, Japanese yen, and following the bullish breakout above the 105.45 level yesterday, with the buyers taking control, we have seen them lose that control today with the formation of a doji candle. A doji candle is where we have no body on this candle, so it means that the open and the close are pretty much in the same area, which means that there's been a lack of net momentum. Now, following that strongish momentum to the upside previously, this warns of a potential change of trend, because we've seen a change of that momentum that the buyers had built by trading through the 105.45 level. So, as always, with these potential changes of trend, they are just that, they're potential changes, and we do always require confirmation. Confirmation would be a lower high and a lower low. Now obviously we could see support coming in at the 105.45 level, and that may hold up any significant change of trend to the downside. We do have very, very strong support all the way down through to the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, trading down close to this 102.75 level. Interestingly, we do have a mixture of trends in their various time frames. In the longer term time frame, we remain negative by trading down below the cloud. We are, however, bullish in the medium and fast term time frames by trading above both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. And if we look at the Chikou span, that's within the corresponding price action. So it's suggesting at the moment that we are perhaps beginning to transition into a stronger phase, importantly in that longer term time frame, and may eventually break out through the top of the Ichimoku cloud. At the moment, we're not trading anywhere near the cloud. However, there is potential for us to trade close to the cloud over the next couple of days if we maintain price action around these levels. However, and there may be potential for a breakout over the next week or so.